Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Stremio on LG Smart TV. So what you have to do, you have to just go to Google and search for Stremio. Now you will come to this official website, just go and click on here. Now you will get this option of Windows download or other downloads. So click on other downloads. You have to just make sure that you open this website on your LG Smart TV. Now, once you open it up, you will get this option. For example, it is available for the different platforms, but this is for the Android Smart TV, Samsung Smart TV, and search for Stremio in App Store of 2020 plus LG TV models, right? So yeah, so Stremio is available, but it's only available on the latest after the models which have launched after the 2020, right? So if you have the latest model of the TVs, then you are in the good luck side, then you can just get it. So as I told you, you have to search for Stremio in the App Store, right? So generally every smart TV or Android TV or Samsung or LG, all this TV have these, the app stores from where you can just download this application. So if you have that, you can just download and you will get this option of get Stremio download or something like this. So you have to go and choose for the first one, that because it will be the latest version. So just go and click on it. Now it will start downloading and then you can use it, right? So this is how you can do. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.